Imagine yourself crossing the road. What makes you stop immediately when you see a car approaching you suddenly? What makes you cross safely when the light is green? It can be explained by detection of looming and receding signals. Looming is when something is coming towards you, while receding is when something is going away from you. Detecting looming objects is key to survival. Hi, I am Shruti and I am studying the response of the Superiorcolliculus to looming. Let's break this down. What's the Superiorcolliculus? It is a small structure in the lateral part of the midbrain. The brain has two pathways by which it functions in normal situations and in sudden situations. The Superiorcolliculus is one of the main regions involved in the fight or flight response. Why are we probing this area? Researchers at Trinity College and St. Vincent's University Hospital have been trying to decode dystonia, a neurological movement disorder characterized by rigid body movements and abnormal postures. Altered sensory processing, such as abnormal temporal discrimination, provide key insights.
It's an autosomal dominant condition with reduced penetrance. The Superiorcolliculus is an important node and input to the basal ganglia. It detects change in the environment and is key to the survival. Our overall hypothesis is that both the temporal discrimination threshold and cervical dystonia result from a disordered midbrain network for covert attentional orientating and reduced GABA inhibition. Such disinhibition results subclinically in an abnormal TDT and clinically in cervical dystonia. We hope to demonstrate that the sensory processing in the Superiorcolliculus is altered in patients and their unaffected relatives with abnormal TDTs.
So it is the third most common movement disorder. Let's see what one of the patients has to say about her experience with it.
For about 10 years now. I did have it a couple of years prior to that, but didn't know there was a treatment for it. Without the treatment, my head twitches a lot. I end up with my grandchildren asking me, why are you always shaking your head? Usually cold or stress tend to bring it on with me.
Therefore, can we probe if there is a difference in the functioning of the SC in healthy controls, patients, and unaffected relatives? This question sets the methods for my study, which is EEG, measuring electrical activity of the brain to give us temporal information, and fMRI, real-time functional images of the brain to give us spatial information. These two methods set the precedence for a novel approach towards understanding looming, the SC, and dystonia. Till date, I have taken 8 healthy controls for the EEG studies and 9 healthy controls for the fMRI sessions. We presented the subjects with the loom recede stimuli when they were put inside a scanner. During the presentation of the stimuli, we then recorded brain activity. The images were later analyzed in MATLAB and SPM software. I hope that this study can help understand how the brain processes looming and aid in early diagnosis and a better understanding of dystonia. Thank you.